my channel, and thank you for lots of like and all the new subscribers and lovely comments. It really means a lot to me. So today we'll be seeing what does the July month have for us. So we can pick a pile. Okay, so we have A to J and we have K to R and we have S to Z. So whoever's name starts from A to J, K to R and S to Z, it depends on them. Okay, so choose a card according to your name. So let's go with A to J and we'll see this later. Let's see, what do we have? What do we need to know in the July month? It's yes, we have something. You're going to meet somebody, you're going to meet your childhood friends, you're going to keep some things behind, you're going to think that you have missed out on some things, but yes, in money terms, you a very beautiful, somewhere you're going to have this beautiful money income coming, and you're very passionate to a lot of people. You're going to meet some new people. Okay, and in wealth, emotions, everything is very beautiful for you. And yes, you're going to receive this good news. Okay, so July month is going to give you this beautiful good news which is going to come in your favor. And yes, that's Mike over here with me, assisting me. Okay, so yes, you're going to meet some of your childhood friend, you're going to have a conversation with them, you're going to meet your soulmate, you're going to have a contact, you're going to be in touch with them. Soulmate can be your family, friend, your cousin, anyone. It means somebody who was there in your past life is with you in your this life as well. Have a lot of rebirth. How we have karma, like that we have a lot of rebirth, and karma can be good and bad. So here it goes. So July month is going to be that you're going to feel a little bit emotionally left out in some things. You're going to feel that your emotions are flowing off and you have left some things behind. June month, you have left some things behind and you're walking to emotionally, you're walking forward to the money, to the achievement. You're leaving something behind, but you're walking towards the money part, to your finance part. How can you improve in that? So this July month, you're going to concentrate in your finance. And yes, when you concentrate in your finance, it is going to give you a victory. And yes, you have left some of the unwanted people, unwanted problems which are coming in your way. You have left that behind and you've gone forward. And yes, you're going to make a move. You're going to go forward with passionate. You're going to meet your soulmate. That can be your mother, father, brother, sister, friends. You're going to have this get together with them. You're going to meet them. You're going to have a conversation. If you're not going to meet, you're going to have a conversation with them. So this July month, you are completely not having too much of problem, no obstacles coming in your way. If any obstacles are coming, you are just walking forward. You're leaving things behind which is not serving you and you're walking forward. And we have, what do you love? This is exactly in the July month, you're going to do what you love. You are leaving these things behind and you're going to listen to what your heart says. If your heart says, no, I cannot give time for my soulmate, for my friends right now at this moment, I need to work, I need to be secured, I need to work and do my finance, you will be giving more time on your finance. And yes, it doesn't mean that I'm telling you you're going to leave your spouse or you're going to leave your girlfriend. No, it doesn't mean that. It's just that you're going to balance. But what is your first priority in July month? Your first priority is how stable you want to be. How are you going to make yourself stable? What do you love? So you're going to do things what you love. Just remember these numbers: 6, 8, 1. Okay, these are the numbers. 5, these are the numbers you might be seeing often, and these are the numbers indicating that your angels, your guides, they are with you. Okay, your God, goddess, the universe, they are supporting you. Whoever's name is in between A to J, thank you so much. This is your July month reading. You want to stick with pile 2 and 3. You want to see it for your partner, your other half, or your girlfriend, your brother. You want to see it for anyone, you can stick and watch till the end. Tomorrow we'll be having another reading on your finance situation. We'll see how much and what is going to happen in your financial situation. So stick for tomorrow's video. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Welcome, my fire too. So whoever name starts from K to R, this is for you. Let's see what we have. We'll keep this aside. We'll see what does the July month have for you in store. What is it? We need to know. To be in your complete truth. You're going to make a movement. You're thinking of something that's quite slow, I can see so far. We have a little tower movement. You're going to go deep inside in you. Thinking you're waiting for some money opportunities, and you're thinking, why is it not coming? Yes, I can see some card which is flipped. Passionate. You're waiting for this money thing to happen, to come in your favor. You're kind of thinking of a job, or you're thinking of you need to do. And yes, you're a little disappointed. You're a little disappointed with some things going to disturb you in this July month. Okay. And yes, you'll be standing strong. You'll be standing strong in your grace and power. Yes, you'll be having whatever your decisions are, you're going to be up to the mark. Okay, whatever you decide, whether it's a girl or a boy. In July month, you are going to work and think forward for your job, but yes, the movement is going to be a little bit slow, not in a complete fast movement. Only you're thinking of where should I, if you're thinking of investment, you're just thinking, where do you need to invest? Where do you need to invest? Thank you, angels. They're saying not only money wise, in even thoughts and your time. You're thinking of where to invest your thoughts and time. And I can even see, yes, there is some kind of a tower moment. Tower moment is, do not worry. It just means that something needs to shake you to make you understand, right? Okay. So there is some kind of truth, okay, which you're going to be seeing in the July month. There is some kind of an eye opener which is going to come in front of you, and you're going to understand, or maybe you're going to realize, thinking something about your own self, that why have you not made a movement? Why have you not come out of this situation? Why are you still stuck in this situation? Maybe that is all in your head. Okay, this is all in your mind. That's the reason you have never made a movement. You have never taken that step of, okay, fine, I need to work for money. How can I find, what options can I search? If it is of money, if it's not of money, if it's of love and relationship, you are a little not exactly worried and thinking about love at this situation. I cannot see, you're thinking about love in this current situation in July season. You are not, you are kind of maintaining, and you're going deeper inside in you. You're deeply going inside in you, and you're understanding. You're going to take care of your health. You're going to take care of the situation, why you are facing this. So you're going to have that deep soul searching. You're going to go deeper inside in you. You're going to make this moment, and then from there, you're going to realize, whatever I have done so far, I need to get out of this situation to go and walk forward in life. You are that strong to decide to make this decision. That's so beautiful. You will be having a reward for it, because you have thought, you have come up from the sad, sad feelings, sad emotions, sad vibration. Thank you, angel. Sad vibration, and you've lifted yourself up. So this July month, you're going to walk forward. You're going to be in your power of your work and all. Yes, you need to take a step. You cannot just only think, sweetie. You need to just make that first move. I know it's going to be difficult for you. I know, and I really understand that you want to take a step, but it's your fear. It's your fear which is not helping you to, can you just see how there is this fire in this building, and you can see these two people they're jumping down. This is basically your fear to step forward, to do anything new. You're getting scared to do something new. But if you do not jump out, okay, of this fire which is happening, one thing is, when you jump out, you might be safe. Okay, one thing, you might be safe rather than being in this fire and getting burnt, right? So I'm not saying that the July month is going to burn you or something. Don't get me wrong. This was just an example of the July month is just going to be a little bit. It's going to shake you to wake you. You understand that? Some things are going to shake you. Your original truth, your reality is just going to come in front of you, or someone is going to just be so harsh with you and speak out your truth. And that when they speak out the truth, you're going to realize it's going to shake you up. And when you realize and shake you up and you understand where are you standing in your life, what you need to do, that's when you come in your power. But this power can only be done when you take a decision, when you just put that fears behind and you walk forward. And yes, there is a lot of passion in you. You become this beautiful king, you become this warrior, you become this queen. When you leave your fears behind, this is what you become. And when you become that passionate person, you understand what you need to do, the money will be flowing to you, the good news will be coming to you, you will have ideas. When your vibration is high, automatically your intuition, your gut feeling will help you to walk forward. And when it helps you to walk forward, you will be having all your emotional, you'll be thinking what is right, what is wrong. What should I do first? Should I invest in my money, invest in my family? Where should I get things for my family? What should I do for my family? How can I do things to get better between my family and my job? How can I manage these two things? So this all is going to have alignment for you. Let's see what do we have here. Take your time. This is so beautiful. You need to take your time out. You need to take your time out to realize, understand where you are standing, what you need to do. Is so perfectly, it's just so beautiful. You need to take a time out, understand. If you really feel that why things are only happening with me, it's not happening with you, sweetheart. It's just that you need to take a time out for yourself. Understand what things are right. Do things what really makes you happy. Thank you, Angel. They are saying do things what makes you happy. Take your time. Invest in yourself. Don't listen to anyone. Listen to your heart. Listen to your gut feeling. Things what you like. If you want to read a book, read a book. If you want to play music, play music. If you want to go out, have a walk, go out, go for a walk, come back home. If you want to do gardening, do that. Do something for yourself. It's enough you have been taken care of everyone around you. It's enough that you have come in this situation where you feel alone. It's the time for you to help yourself pick it up and put it in a right place. Gather all your emotion, gather all the things which you have done so far, pick it up and put it and equalize in the proper space where you need to keep yourself in. Okay, this is a very beautiful energy we have picked up. So you need to love yourself, you need to give your time to yourself, and this is a beautiful July month energy for you. So we will see. You can wait for my next video for tomorrow, which will be me. It will be a pick a pile. So we will see in your finance deeply. And thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. Hello, my pile 3. So whoever's chosen S to Z, this we will see later. And let's see what do we have for the July month for you. We'll see whichever cards are coming. We'll pick up that and we'll see. Okay, so you are in complete warrior. You are completely ready for any kind of obstacles which will come into your way, if there will come any obstacles. But you're in complete power, passion, and you are ready to move forward. You have left many things in June month behind, and in July month you are ready to take that move, and you have left things behind and come out and going to take some new actions. You're going to move forward. Even if you're not understanding what's going to happen, you are still taking this step and moving forward. So this July month you will be moving forward from some kind of things which are not serving you. You're leaving some things behind in July month, whatever never served you in workplace, in friends, family, anything. Certain things have happened to you which has not served you and you don't feel alright. Whatever in June month you have left those things behind and you're walking forward. Okay, you're walking forward and you're going to take this new step. You're going to go in this unknown place which you don't know. And the unknown place can be in money wise, in career wise, you're going to thank you angel. They're saying that certain kind of job, you're going to jump and take a leap faith and go into another field. You're going to try something new. Thank you angel. You're going to show your creative side. There was enough of thinking, enough of thinking and understanding what you needed to do, but you're going to come out into this creative style of yours. It's going to be this new invention what you're going to do. Okay, in this July month, you're going to work in something which makes you happy. And yes, you've left some things behind, and that has made you to go forward, that step ahead to go forward. And yes, you do feel that you have left behind, and you're feeling sorry for some friend circles, some things which is not serving you. You feel sorry for some kind of a thing which you left behind, but you're not understanding that there is something else also. There is something good waiting for you. You need to turn around. You just need to not see what you have lost, but even turn around and see what does a next day have in front of you. And yes, there is some kind of judgment. There is something you've been waiting for so long. Maybe in money wise, I can see that you have not got such a success money wise. Everything was not just in front of you. This is a general reading, okay? So don't take it really very personal. It's a general reading, and if you want a personal reading, I am always available for the personal reading. There is my Instagram. You can DM me in my Insta, or you can even email me personal reading. So what do we have over here? I can see that you're leaving some things behind. You're feeling sorry. In June month, you left many things behind, and you're walking forward. And that walking forward is giving you this new opportunity, this new creativity, which you're coming out. You're trying to understand. You've been speaking with your family members, friends, that let's start some new thing. Let's start some kind of creative work. Talents is just coming out, and yes, you're going to take a leap faith. You don't know what's going to happen, but you're just going to stand up. You're going to make a move, and that move is going to give you a judgment. And the judgment is yes, it's going to be according to what you wanted. You will feel sometimes at this new move which you're going to take, a new job which you're going to take, a new career which you're choosing, a new career path which you left some old things behind, and you're jumping and doing something new. You will feel that, oh my god, is it the right decision? But it's really fine. You do not move, and you will just sit there. It's going to be a stuck feeling. But when you move and go forward, you will feel that there is some kind of, if it's a loss, it's a lesson. If it's a gain, it's a victory, right? But if you just sit there, it's nothing. So this is a very beautiful energy, because you are standing in your powers and you're walking. Which things are not serving you, you're leaving behind, but you're walking ahead. You're walking in this beautiful July month. It's going to make you feel, give you how much you have worked for, you're going to get that much. That exactly it shows. Means how much efforts you will put at your work, you will be rewarded for those efforts. Okay, so the July month is going to be completely in your favor when you value your time, value the people around you, value your own self, and then it will fall in place. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Ho, it's wonderful. So see, this is what, when you take this step, when you don't understand, this fear is there of not understanding, but you are just walking. You don't mind. Whatever will come, I will face it. That kind of a strong will which you have, this is very beautiful. And when that happens, there is this judgment. When you put enough of your effort in this creativity, when you have this creativity and you put this effort, this is what you get. Number one is a victory. So you will be having this beautiful cup. You will be satisfied in doing what you want, because you will be doing what you like. And that's very beautiful. Even if you're feeling that you're going to change your career, jump into something which you don't know, and it's going to be a new career, yes, if you do your hard work, this is the victory you're going to get. You're going to really be wow. Okay, at the whole thing. And yes, there is this beautiful peace which you'll be having in you. It will make you happy. And yes, eventually everything takes time. None of the business will just bloom in one time. You need at least 6 to 1 year for it to bloom. But rather than sticking in the stick situation and feeling helpless that you couldn't do anything, it's better to move, which you're doing. That's, I can really see that in July month. That's really very beautiful energy. Thank you so much for watching, and do wait for my next video, which is going to be money finance. Okay, so it will be a pick a card reading, and we can just pick a pile to know in depth about your finance. Have a beautiful day. God bless you. Bye bye.